one of the best of our scene ever to do it. Do you know what I mean? I knew his career from the youngest age, going right through from when he was just Evil B on drum and bass, jungle drum and bass in the early days, right? And then when he crossed over to become B-Live, then we recognized we're all from the same place, so we all recognize the man's talent. But to see how far B has gone now, it's impressive, and it's proud to see a man that was in our circle doing those things on the main stage. But B-Live is a superstar. Check this if you haven't seen his footage of him performing his new single. B, send that to me. Come on.